Have you ever stood over your toilet brush, genuinely dreading the next 10 minutes, thinking there has to be a better way to do this that doesn't involve breaking my back or touching that nasty grime? I used to feel exactly like that, actually worse, because I have some joint problems, so scrubbing on my hands and knees was always painful, but there's no one else to do it, and I couldn't stand sitting on a dirty toilet, until I discovered this magical little trick that literally cleans my toilet while I watched TV, without me ever lifting a finger again. And honestly, what I'm about to show you sounds too good to be true, but it completely changed my whole cleaning routine forever. You see, I was the queen of spending ages scrubbing limescale and rust stains, fighting embarrassing lingering odors with air fresheners that just didn't work, and hating that strong chemical smell that made cleaning the chore I dreaded the most. But before I tell you exactly how I stopped doing all that, I need to tell you that there is a limited time offer right now on this incredible solution that's America's #1 rated toilet cleaner for up to 70% off, and I put a direct link to this promo right in the description, so if you want to skip the scrubbing too, you might want to grab that discount now before the stock runs out again, which seems to happen a lot because it's in such high demand. So, how did I do it? I found FizzClean. It's not just another cleaner, it is this super powerful foaming powder that effortlessly handles the dirty work for you, so use zero effort to keep your toilet spotless. Here is the whole magical recipe. You just pour 1 tablespoon of this concentrated powder in, and it instantly creates this powerful deep foaming action with millions of powerful, scrubbing bubbles that penetrate deep into every corner, every crevice, dissolving 100% of the tough stains, grime, limescale, and rust in just 20 minutes, while you are doing things you actually enjoy. The best part is what is in it, or rather, what's not. It uses this advanced surfactant scrubbing technology but is crafted with non-toxic, skin-friendly ingredients that are crafted with care to be gentle on your family and completely septic safe and plumbing friendly, so you have that total peace of mind. While you wait that 20 minutes, this foam is also killing 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria and germs, completely neutralizing unpleasant odors and leaving this amazing, long-lasting fresh, clean fragrance. After the 20 minutes, FizzClean has already done all the dirty work for you, so all you do is just flush. That is it. A sparkling, hygienically clean toilet every time with zero effort. It actually cleans itself. It restores your toilet to like new cleanliness, and it even taken care of smells that my air freshener couldn't fix. I haven't touched a scrub brush in weeks and my joints are thanking me. And get this versatile cleaning powerhouse is efficient, cost-effective, and doesn't stop at toilets. I use it throughout my home as a scouring paste for my bathtubs, sinks, tiles, countertops, and even the garbage disposal. It saves me so much precious time and money since I don't need to buy multiple expensive cleaners anymore. If you are still cleaning your toilet the hard way, on your hands and knees or juggling harsh cleaning products with that disgusting thought of touching the mess, you are wasting your time and energy. FizzClean was rated as the most effective toilet cleaner of 2025, and they offer this 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence and try it ordered week completely risk-free with fast shipping. If you aren't satisfied, you get a full refund, no questions asked. Transform the way you clean right now. Stock keeps selling out because this limited-time deal is in such high demand. Do not miss that massive 70% off discount. Click the direct link right now in the description to secure your offer, stop scrubbing, and let the magical cleaning power of FizzClean revolutionize your cleaning routine.